We're here to do our firefighter challenge. We've all been called out by numerous people.
Hi,
I'm going to call out Brandon Moore from West Stafford Fire, Chuck Pippin, Chief of Crystal Lake Fire, Ryan Pippin from Crystal Lake Fire. My turn. I would like to call out Gary West from Staffordville. I'd like to call out Ayla Sarles from Staffordville. I'd like to call out Mark Richards from Staffordville. And Ann Miranda, because I started making a Ken and I's video and she didn't jump in. So let's do that. And I'd like to call out Travis Bowman from West Stafford. And I'd like to call out Kim Carr.
Whoa!
Oh!
Things just got interesting here.
Yeah!
All right,
Yeah, things did.
I'd like to call my lovely wife, Tammy Hughes, from Wales Fire.
Oh, this is gonna be real!
How about John Crow from Wales Fire?
Oh yeah!
You've been called
How about
out.
me? Pick me!
Ryan, you can be called out.
Woo!
You gotta raise $10 though. Chris Dano from Southborough Fire. Louis Forte from Sudbury. Matt McDonald from Sudbury Fire. And Tom Bellini from Somerville Fire. And Mr. Dan Carr Sr., otherwise known as Walter Carr. And
There's your bonus.
get this plunge.
Ready, gentlemen?
Oh, let's go.
Let's do it. All right.
Here comes Dad. Wow!
Go on,
Got his
Steve.
shirt off. There you go.
Ah!